Logo, LG.
How to connect a cable or satellite box to your LG TV.
A flat-screen TV hangs on a wall.
Before you connect your TV to a cable box or satellite receiver, also known as a set-top box, note that the box should be placed no more than 3 feet from the TV and not behind any doors or inside any drawers. Let's begin.
A coil of coaxial cable.
First, connect the coaxial cable from your cable or satellite provider to the back of the set-top box.
The cable end connects to a space on the box labeled Cable In. A circle highlights the copper stem that protrudes from the end of the cable.
Take care not to bend the copper center conductor in the cable as you position it in the jack, and hand tighten.
A circle highlights the round power supply connection on the back of the box.
Then connect the power supply that came with the set-top box.
A circle highlights the HDMI port that contains the writing, HDMI, out to TV.
Next, connect a high-speed HDMI cable from the HDMI port in the set-top box to the TV's HDMI port. Do not connect it to the TV's HDMI ARC port, as that is for audio systems.
The TV turns on and static fills the screen.
Use the TV remote to turn the TV on, and make sure the TV is on the correct channel to accept the set-top box connection. Then use the remote that came with the set-top box to turn that on.
A circle highlights a button that contains a house icon.
Press the Home button on the TV remote and click the Connection button. On the TV screen, select the connected HDMI port in the list.
A circle highlights HDMI 1 on the screen.
Once your set-top box is connected to your TV, press the Settings button on the TV remote. Then click on the vertical dots, then Programs, then Program Tuning and Settings, then Auto Tuning, then select Cable or Satellite, then Digital Tuning Only, and allow the TV to tune in the available channels. When tuning is complete, click OK, enter the location settings, and click Done. Note that there is an LG set-top box control app built into the TV.
A circle highlights the input button that has a cable icon on it.
To set it up, press the input button on the Magic Motion remote. When the interface pops up on the screen, click on the Setup bar, which will take you to the device connector. Begin by clicking on Set-top Box. Then select which TV input it is connected to and click Next. Using Universal Control, you can control your set-top box and other devices by using just the Magic Motion remote. Note that this function is not applicable to a standard remote. Set up Universal Control for your set-top box on the next 3 screens by selecting your service provider, then your set-top box manufacturer, and finally test to ensure that you are using the correct remote configuration for your set-top box. Click Done to complete the process.
A circle highlights the input button on the remote.
The next time you press the input button, a control interface will pop up that has been configured to your set-top box and service. You will see the name of your service provider, settings, and TV inputs, channel guide, and the box's menu. You can also switch between audio options and select your favorite channels with virtual 0 to 9 buttons.
The control interface appears on the right top corner of the TV screen.
For further assistance, you can easily find our contact information on the LG.com website.
LG.com/support. Twitter, Facebook, text message, email, phone.
Go to the support menu to ask us more questions.
Text. This video is produced solely for informational and instructional purposes and is not intended to replace the product's owner's manual. For complete information on use, setup, or assembly, consult the owner's manual or any other documents provided with the product. The information contained in this video may contain inaccuracies or typographical errors and is subject to change without notice. LG is not responsible for any direct or indirect damages or injuries that might occur while you are using or relying on information provided. Depending upon its model, your product may differ in appearance from the product shown. For instructional purposes, the device in the video may operate faster than in reality. For any further questions concerning your product, please contact LG.com or LG Customer Information Center. This video shall not be copied, distributed or reproduced in whole or part without prior written authorization of LG Electronics. Copyright 2022 LG Electronics. All rights reserved. LG is a trademark of LG Electronics Company Limited. Any other company name, product names and marks are the property of the respective owners.